This week on Dude Stuff.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh! Bring it back down! Bring it back down! Get it down!
What is going on, guys? So today I'm combining my favourite two hobbies, which are e-bikes and grappling. And I'm going to be doing a challenge today where a member of public might possibly win this actual e-bike for free. Failing that, if I can't find anyone or there isn't a winner, I'll probably be putting this bike on a raffle where someone, like one of you subscribers, can win it for £2. Now this is a A20F, I think it's called the Beast, which I'm not really entirely sure why they call it the Beast. It's not that beastly really, is it? It's also supposed to be in a khaki colour, which I chose, which I wouldn't exactly call this khaki myself. So basically when I got this bike, I was thinking, it's just another 250 watt e-bike, it's not exactly that interesting. And then I started checking out the spec of it. This has got some points to it which are actually much more interesting than your average e-bike. I know it looks like your average generic fat tyre folding e-bike, but it's actually got some sick features. Now the points that stick out to me is, the main selling point that this is, it is the cheapest e-bike with a torque sensing pedal assist. Now that is something quite rare that I could count on one hand the amount of e-bikes I've tested or ridden that have got torque sensing. So pedaling gently, it's going slow. If I pedal harder, so basically the harder I pedal, the faster this thing goes, which is not a very common feature that you get in e-bikes, and I've not seen it under the £2 price point if I'm honest. It's also got genuine Samsung cells, which is not always the case on at this price point. It's quite rare. 14.5 amp hour, so it's not bad on range. It comes with a phone holder, which is a bonus. You've got a decent colour display that links up with Bluetooth to their own app. Now, obviously it's locked in the UK to pedal assist 15. But if you live outside the UK or you want to use it off-road, you can unlock the speed with the mobile phone app, which you can get on Android and Apple, and it will do about 20-22 miles an hour. Right, just before we get into the action, guys, let me just show you that this thing can move. Bear in mind, you do have to pedal a little bit harder to go faster. She's quick enough for most people for sure. So don't forget, check out in the video description the link to Ado to buy this Ado A20F Beast. Another great feature I think which is good for this price point is it has actually got hydraulic disc brakes. So it's a lot of bang for the buck for the money. It's a pretty sprightly bike. It's not bad on the kind of gravel roads, light off-road terrain. Lightweight, it's got an aluminium frame and it folds. And hopefully someone might win this today. If not, one of you subscribers is going to have a chance to win this for £2. So hang around and we'll see what happens. But now let's get on to the fun part of offering to fight random members of public. That should be fun. Here we go then. If we can find anyone, it's a weekday in October, so it's a little bit quiet, but we'll see if anyone's about. Just nobody about. It's just old people and dog walkers. Like, how am I meant? I generally would want to give someone a chance to win this, but like, how am I going to do that on a windy, cold day? Well, it's not that cold actually. It's all right. How am I going to do that in October on a, what is it, Tuesday? It's like 3 PM on a Tuesday in October. Like, who the hell's actually going to want to bloody just grapple a complete stranger? Want a chance to win an e-bike? Right, so literally found nobody down the seafront. We've come to the busiest part of Southend-on-Sea High Street. It's a little bit cringe and I'm a little bit embarrassed. But if we're going to find anyone to participate in this challenge, it's going to be in a busy high street. So let's see if we can get a little bit more luck, see if anyone's up for the challenge. I was just a little bit of fun for YouTube. I've done a review.
Yeah.
What wants to do like wrestling for like 3 minutes or so.
Wrestling?
Yeah, but like, if you like literally choke me or strangle me and I'll tap, then you get a £1,500
Right, that's what you qualify is, but yeah, I've got no chance.
Try to submit, mate. There's literally no money to enter or nothing.
Did you used to teach him everything once?
Oh,
Yeah, I think I had a lesson with him once.
oh really? Oh, that's awesome.
Years ago. That's why I know I can't win. Because this guy's insane.
It's you, really? Come on.
You two, come on.
Beat you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fuck you up now. Are you serious?
Just grappling, yeah, not punching or kicking. You'll get arrested.
Oh my God. Yeah, I wouldn't buy.
Right. Choke.
Take you down.
No, because we start from yeah, wrestle. If you win an e-bike.
Just like that.
Like really? Let's try. So I just wanna play.
Yeah, it's play. It's adult play. Right, okay.
What are they doing?
I gotta go to Polo Aqua. I put all of my drink.
I'm not going to kick with the shoe.
No, I'm a winning biker now. Huh?
How will you win? Don't stand up, just be on the floor.
Strong.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Sing with his bike. Well, my daughter is crying.
2 more minutes. 2 more minutes.
You cannot win it. How will you know when you're winning? Let it not be winning. How will you know?
1 more minute. 1 more minute.
No, it's okay.
How do you know?
Well done, Nicholas.
What's up, bro?
Strong dude, man. Seriously, strong dude. Check out them guns, man. Yeah, cheers for that. Well done.
I love this bike.
Next time. Yeah, strong old dude. There's not much action happening. The guy was just strong as hell. But I don't know. See if we get anyone else. We'll keep trying. Appreciate it. Cheers, James.
No worries, let's do it.
Right, so you slap. Bump. There we go.
Not a chance.
It's good though, man. Good effort. Good effort, mate. Let's see. That was a little bit more like it, wasn't it? That was a bit more fun. There's a few guys like eyeing me up over the road now. I think that like maybe we'll get one more in.
Stay Paul.
Paul.
Right.
Paul's up for the challenge. Chance to win an e-bike. Appreciate it, mate.
No worries, no worries.
Yeah, slap the hands and bump this.
Yep.
Get behind it. Get behind it. hold him, hold him, hold him, hold him.
Shut up.
Hold him there. Hold his arms, he can't do nothing. Lock his legs. Put your legs around his legs and lock it. Lock his legs. You can't do anything. Hold his neck as well. Get him like that in the chokehold. Go on, go on. It's like Khabib. Come on, Khabib, get out. Hold him like that. Hold him like that, come on. Oh. Go on, hold him. Knock your neck round him. Knock your neck round him. Go on, you need to get your leg, mate. He's fucked, you know.
Having said that,
Getting you in the guillotine, man. Get her out there, Bob. Well, roll this way. Use your legs against him. Use your body weight. Go on.
No chance for that, bro.
Down well, though.
No chance, bro. All good. Cheers, bro. Cheers. No chance, bro. Well done, mate. It's good fun. Well. Oh my God. Right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that little video. Tried our hardest. It's getting dark now, as you can see. The wind's picking up. The mats are getting blown away. Would have loved to have given this bike away today. I'm going to stick this bike on a raffle so one of you guys can win this for £2. Check out the link for raffle.com, be in the video description. Don't forget to check out Ado for the links, that'll be in the description. You can buy one of these awesome e-bikes. It's probably like the cheapest torque sensing e-bike that's on the market at the moment. Nothing in this price point that I've seen has got torque sensing, pedal assist. So yeah, decent little bike. Check out the link and I'll see you guys in the video soon. Take it easy.